We have a bit of a lull. The bird feeder. Birds were active today. But they'll be in the bushes. We shall venture out in this little lull. It's a lull. It's a lull. We can see the lines. And we go off into the distance. You see it driving down. It's pretty light right now. See it pick up a bit. It's not a waterproof camera, and neither is it impact resistant. Let's look down the street. We are awesome at focusing, ain't we? There we go. Ooh, look at the tree, isn't that spooky looking? Spooky. The world's coming to an end. Have no booze.